Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Exodus wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. And in case you haven't signed up to Revolut yet, you can find a link in the description for a referral code to give you a small bonus as a start. So as you can see, currently right now we are on our main wallet on this section. And so from here, all you have to do is simply click on the buy option that is on the right section. And then from here, you're going to check that there is a binder where you can select however much amount. So for example, $100. And so before that, simply click on the Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency that is showing. And they're going to search on the search bar and search for USDT. Now be careful because there are multiple options for USDT depending on whichever blockchain that you are working on. So there's Tether, which is usually the Ethereum blockchain, Solana, which is usually for meme coins, TRX, which is the funded governmental one, and BSC, which is more connected to the blockchain for Bitcoin. So for this chance, we usually use Tether since it's the original and the traditional for USDT. Select however much you would like, so for example 50, and then from here you're going to select whatever payment method, so you can either transfer with debit card or bank transfer, which could take up to 48 hours. And so it will show you the platform that you're going to use next to it. So you can click on it and you can change whatever platform, blockchain.com, Ramp Network, or MoonPay. So once you do that and you select the one with the best price, click on continue. And then from here is going to transfer you to the next page where you're going to actually enter the payment method. And so as you can see right here, $50 will give you this amount in USDT after the fees and everything that is set. And so this is the quote and it's going to update every 10 seconds. You can keep waiting until you can receive the best type of quote for the best deal. But after that, click on preview buy. And then from here, you're going to enter whatever email address that is yours. So for example, and so once you enter the email address that you would like, click on continue. And then it will ask you for reCAPTCHA. And once you do that, enter your bank account information or credit card. And so it will purchase it directly. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.